You don't know that. This is a dangerous time for you. I cannot interfere. Luke! Don't give in to hate. That leads to the dark side. Run, Luke, run! Use the Force, Luke. Remember, the Force will be with you, always. Luke! You will go to the Dagobah system. There you will learn from Yoda. You don't know that. This is a dangerous time for you, when you will be tempted by the dark side of the Force. I cannot interfere. So what I told you was true, from a certain point of view. You're going to find that many of the truths we cling to depend greatly on our own point of view. I was wrong. He's more machine now than man, twisted and evil. You were our only hope. Your insight serves you well.